Hello dear students, you are welcome in Literature Simply. Simple way to learn literature and language. Dear students, generally we make videos on English literature, but friends, this video is on demand. Many students have asked me to make a series on English communication or spoken English, and hence I am initiating a series on this channel in English communication. Dear students, as we all know how English communication is significant, and you all know about the significance of English communication, because if you want a brighter career you must know English language. Generally we study English literature in this channel, but friends, it is one of the objective of our channel that we should learn English through literature, and hence I also think that we should initiate a series in spoken English or English communication. So friends, this is the first video, and in this video we are going to talk about some basic things in spoken English or in English communication. So what are those basic things? And I will also talk about the methods today which are employed in English communication, or you find that there are many teachers, there are many online courses, many online channels which teach you how to speak English. But friends, I find there is some difficulty in learning all those things, because most of the teachers, most of the channels emphasis on speaking English through your native language, or simply they teach you English through your mother tongue or through a native language, and hence difficulties arise. So what is that difficulty? Because friends, it is my own experience that we must know about the basic language acquisition skills, and we should have a very proper kind of method of learning English, a very proper and scientific or proven method of learning English. So friends, in this course or in this series I am going to develop the same kind of scientific method of learning English. What we are going to do in this learning English course or spoken English or English communication course, friends, things are very simple, things are very easy, but most of the times you find that you understand English very well, and students say that, sir, I understand each and everything whatever there is in English when a teacher teaches, but sir, I am unable to speak the same things. Now friends, here the question arises, why you are not able to speak, why you are not able to communicate? And for that we need to talk about some basic things about language. The very basic thing is that how does a language comprise? What are the components of language? As we all know about the basic 4 language acquisition skills, the very first is listening, the second is speaking, the third is reading, and the last one is writing. Now friends, the first 2 skills, listening and speaking, are natural skills, and writing and reading, or reading and writing, are artificial skills. So we should know about these skills. A very simple question we have here: how does a child learn language? And the answer is very simple. First, he listens a lot, whatever language is around him or her. Then he try to utter the words. Then he try to utter the same kind of things which we find, which he or she listened around him or her. The same kind of things he try to pronounce. In this manner, a child learns language. Means first thing comes listening, and second is reading. So friends, here in this new approach we are going to consider language acquisition skills and the formation of sentences or the structure of a language. Now both things are significant. You must know the structure of language or the grammar of language. Then you must know the basic skills of learning language. The next 2 skills which here we have, reading and writing. Now reading and writing are purely artificial skills. To acquire these skills or to learn these skills, you need to have formal training. Means you must go to school or you must learn formally all these things, reading and writing. So we are going to combine all these things. We are going to combine the grammar or structure and these 4 basic skills, and we are having a new approach, a scientific proven approach to communicate in English language. Now friends, you see that how simple is English, or how simply we can speak English, and whatever here I am speaking before you, you understand everything. But the question arises when you try to speak. There you find many difficulties, you stuck. So we are going to answer the question why we stuck when we speak in English. Now friends, it is the matter of practice also. So in this course we also going to have practice of various sentences, practice of various things which we learn. And as you find that it is a prime objective of our channel Literature Simply, that we are learning English through literature, because literature gives you the vocabulary, literature gives you the language ornaments, the figures, the various levels of language, various standards of language, and hence we also going to talk about all these things. So I hope you understand the very approach which we are going to follow while speaking English. So we have named or titled this series as Speak English, very simply Speak English. Or when you watch these videos, when you practice at your home, you will definitely speak English, and hence we call it as Speak English. Now what is again important there in this Speak English course, or in this Speak English series which we are going to have on our channel? Friends, let me tell you that I will combine English grammar, structure and language acquisition skills, because we are learning English as a second language or foreign language, and we are not native speakers of English, but we are going to learn Indian English. Now if you look at the Indian English, you find that Indian English has been accepted as a dialect, a standard dialect of English all around the world. And you will be astonished with the facts that Indians are very fluent in English. Indians teach English in abroad. Indians also teach English in America and England. If you find universities or colleges, there are many professors, there are many teachers who teach English to the native speakers. Why? Because we have a very good grammar skills, and we use these grammar skills while teaching to the students. So friends, I hope you understand everything whatever I am speaking in English. And the next important thing in this series will be, we are following, or we are using only direct method to teach or learn English, and not the any native or grammar translation method. It means that I will speak in English, I will dictate, I will explain all the things in English, and you will understand it. It's very simple, because I see that there are many YouTube channels, there are many teachers who teach English through Hindi. Just they write some sentences on the board and they translate it, and they tell you that how you can form a sentence in Hindi first and then in English, or in native language first and then in English. So this is a very difficult method, dear friends. Though you understand this method, but when you try to speak, the problems arise, the problems come, and hence I will use only English to teach English, so that you can understand, so that you can listen to English. Because very first thing in learning English, or a very first thing in acquisition of English, is that you should listen English, a lot of English, and then you will become able to speak the same kind of things which you listened. Friends, a very simple question here we have. Unless you do not know the pronunciation of particular words, how can you pronounce that particular words? So listening to English is very important, and we are going to have all these things, very practical kind of things, very entertaining things in this series. So friends, I hope you understand. This is the beginning. In this video, just I put a few facts before you, and the methodology which we are going to follow in this Speak English course or Speak English series. So friends, this is a general type of video on Speak English. What do you think about this video? Do you need more kind of assistance, a practical assistance? If you need, please comment below, and please comment about this new series called Speak English. We are also going to continue our literature videos, but with these literature videos we are also having this series of Speak English. So what do you think about this? Please comment below. Like this video, share this video among your friends, and subscribe to Literature Simply if you not subscribed yet, and press the bell notification icon. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video.